Hello and welcome. Settle in as we take a measured sensory tour of what Aston Martin calls its finest statement yet. This is not a checklist recital. It is a close look at how design, engineering, and emotion converge into lived reality. Expect practical points for buyers, visceral impressions for enthusiasts, and a clear sense of whether this DBX elevates everyday life or simply dazzles in photos and showroom lights when the sun hits a perfect angle. Hello and welcome. Settle in as we take a measured sensory tour of what Aston Martin calls its finest statement yet. This is not a checklist recital. It is a close look at how design, engineering, and emotion converge into lived reality. Expect practical points for buyers, visceral impressions for enthusiasts, and a clear sense of whether this DBX elevates everyday life or simply dazzles in photos and showroom lights when the sun hits a perfect angle. Before figures, a small wish that every journey feels meaningful. Aston Martin carries a lineage of grand touring soul, and the DBX channels that into a taller, more versatile form while preserving human scale. The 2026 update tightens character lines, sharpens controls, and layers modern systems beneath a classic face. We will examine how heritage becomes usable luxury, where trade-offs occur, and what owners should probe during a real test drive. The DBX 2026 reads like sculpture forged for movement. A longer bonnet and muscular haunches combine with a silhouette that balances aggression and refinement. Aerodynamic intent hides in tasteful vents, integrated spoilers, and subtle creases that catch light across angles. Finish quality resists quick aging. This exterior signals capability and confidence, crafted to appear authoritative, whether cruising boulevards or climbing winding mountain passes. Step inside and the cabin reveals a study in crafted restraint and sensory detail. Materials feel chosen for story and touch, leather, fine metals, and stitching that read like handwork. The driver interface is precise, with tactile controls and displays designed to minimize distraction. Rear passengers benefit from generous space, climate comfort, and acoustic privacy. The interior intends to be a moving salon where performance and calm coexist comfortably. Underneath the spectacle sits engineering tuned for balanced aggression and civilized control. Expect abundant torque, immediate throttle response, and a chassis that resists roll while preserving ride quality. Steering feedback is communicative, brakes feel confident without abruptness, and drive modes allow swift transitions between relaxed cruising and focused performance. The DBX blends supercar DNA with everyday SUV practicality in authentic, usable ways. Safety systems arrive mature and unshowy with adaptive aids that assist without dominating the experience. Infotainment and connectivity are modern and functional, though some rivals offer sleeker user flows. Ownership implies bespoke service, premium maintenance, and exclusive care, alongside potential for strong residuals. Value here is measured by lasting stature, personalization options, and emotional return on investment more than the initial purchase price alone. So is the Aston Martin DBX 2026 the new king of super SUVs? It stakes a serious claim by marrying a performance temperament with lived-in luxury that feels authentic and earned. If regal presence, dynamic ability, and tactile opulence matter to you, this car demands a thorough test drive. Tell us which trait you would test first, and stay tuned for our deep comparison that may confirm or challenge its crown. We will measure acceleration, braking, quietness, and daily comfort.